respirator problem and cough, this tea is for you. We are going to use asthma plant and avocado leaves to make tea. Following me, let go and get the leaves. Asthma weed, also known as euphorbia herda, is very infective in respirator problem or breathing issues. It also cure dysentery, diarrhea, boost your immune system. It traditionally used also to treat skin ailment like ringworm, scabies, pimples, itching. Tilda, I'm preparing some tea for my client. He is having cough and also breathing disorders. Cultivate enough asthma weed with avocado leaves. Wash the asthma weed with enough water to remove dirty properties from it. Add as enough water you want on it. Wash the avocado leaves and add it to the asthma leaf. Cough and breathing disorders, take it for 2 weeks without missing any day. And you would see why nature can never cheat you. You can see it already boiling already. Stop wasting money today. Herbal plants are the best. Nature can never lair. It you have the following problem. This herbal medicine is for you. It works so infective. Take 1 cup in the morning, 1 cup in the afternoon, and 1 cup in the evening. Continuously, you would get a suitable result. If you are having asthma, take it for 1 month without missing any day as the following. Please share this to your friends and family. Let them stop wasting money. Thanks for watching. Follow for the next episode.